What if I told you this banana bread was made without an oven? You doubt it, right? Come with me, let me show you how you can make yours. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we start baking, we need to heat up our pot since we are not using the oven. This is just a proof that you don't need to have an oven before you can bake something very good. Can you see how good this banana bread looks? It's not burnt, it's just well baked. If you bake on moderate heat, trust me, your banana bread will come out looking this good. Can you see how good it is? It looks good and tastes amazing. Would you be giving this a try? Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I will see you on my next video. Bye.